So I'm currently editing the video that you're about to watch, and it's a pretty short one. I went to 4 or 5 thrift stores looking for stuff that I could hopefully flip on eBay for a profit. And I found some really neat stuff that you can also be on the lookout for. I do hope you enjoy the video, but I also hope you'll stick around to the very end for a pretty special message.
I run red light. You ran red light. You can't run red light.
Grab that. Didn't plan on going into Goodwill bins, and honestly I didn't want to, but I got here right at 10 o'clock as they were opening up. So I got in the back of the line, went in, dug a little bit. I've only been in there 20 minutes and found this guy, 567. It's a Gregory alpaca duffel, 45 liter, and you can see it's new with tags. It does have a logo on it, not huge though, doesn't really take away anything. Brand new with tags. There were some that were listed at like 150, 165. Some similar ones, not the exact model, sold in the $90, $95 range used. So I think that's a pretty good find. This Gregory actually has a lifetime guarantee, so pretty good bag. Only 567, not bad. Oh, and also there's a sleeve of Titleist Pro V1 golf balls in there that would actually cost more than the 567, so that's pretty good too. All right, decided to pop into the regular Goodwill real quick because there's usually a bunch of resellers in here, but there's always somebody putting stuff out at this time, so I figured I'd give it a shot. And I just found this guy. How cool is this? Vintage, made in USA. Awesome bright colors. Oklahoma shirt, and it's MCM XCV2, so that makes it carry 1 divided to 3, like 1997. Is that right? I don't know. Really cool bright colors. I love it. T-shirts here are only $1.50. So this is bringing back some nostalgia right now. Do you guys remember the Zune? It was like a little media player, like an iPod. As a matter of fact, I would say that it was even better than an iPod. I think just their marketing wasn't as good. This was made by Microsoft. I used to have one of these things. I think I still do somewhere. I used to love my Zune. Well, this is hard to leave behind, but I think I'm gonna have to. It's a Bose Sound Dot 2, and it's even got the Apple adapter on it, but it's missing the power cord, and I don't have the remote. And also, bad problem with these things, they get a little wobbly right there, and I've had them where they don't work. So $6.99, gotta leave it behind because I'd have to sell it for parts, and they're not selling for a whole lot for parts. Kind of stinks. All right, looks like I'm leaving with just the t-shirt, but only $1.50, so not too bad. I'll see you at the next spot. Some interesting clips. Check out this putter. Yeah. That's wacky. Might get that. So I just found this thing. It's a Bratz Boys doll, and apparently it's pretty rare. There's one listed for $375. One sold for $16.50, but it's discontinued, so maybe it's worth more now. I don't know. For $2.99, I'm gonna take a chance. It's new and sealed. Probably not for eBay, but this thing is wild. Starbus, made in USA, size large, US amateur, 1999 Pebble Beach. Got the hit on the side, but this is the best part. Check that out. Awesome windbreaker. And I think it was $6. Can't beat it. Alright, so I ended up getting the weird looking Warrior putter for $2.99. If a putter looks weird and it's only $2.99, I'm probably going to get it at least to try it out. I don't know, just have fun trying new things. Not worth a whole lot for sure. And then I also grabbed this teardrop roll face putter. Never seen that one before, so I grabbed it for $3. 1999 PGA amateur at Pebble Beach. That's really cool. And I also got this MCI Heritage pullover. It was half price, so $3. It's a ladies. Not really sure what I'll do with that. But this Bratz thing, I'm definitely going to have to do some research. So there was somebody trying to sell just an empty box for like 35 or 40 bucks. And like I said, the only one listed was for $375. So I'm going to do some research on this. I'm sure there's some similar ones, some similar dudes with different names. This guy is Eaton, maybe? I'm not real sure. But for $2.99, I figured it's worth a shot. I'll let you know. Well, these things are pretty easy to spot. They don't go for as much as they used to. It's still worth picking up. It's a square strike wedge, 55 degrees. Can I get that? Should be $1.99. This is pretty cool. Vintage, Vinhagen, made in the USA. A little Sunday bag, just made to hold 4 or 5 clubs. That's really cool. All right, walking out with one thing. Got the vintage Hogan golf bag, little Sunday bag, made in the USA. It definitely needs a cleaning, and honestly, I have no idea the value. I couldn't find one exactly like it, and I've never even seen a Hogan Sunday bag before. But I'm thinking at least 40 bucks. We'll see. Pretty cool. Vapor Max for $8.99. Yeah. Brand new. Yeah. Really windy out here. Hope you guys can hear me. But $14 out the door for the Ultras. I mean, those are in really good condition. They may have been worn once, maybe twice. Hate that they wrote the price on there, but not a huge deal. And then the Vapor Max, I never find them in good condition. And they're size 12 too, so $9 for those. Like I said, $14 out the door. That included a book for me to read while I'm sitting by the pool watching the kids swim.
So unfortunately, I didn't find anything at this Goodwill this time, but I've been finding some really interesting stuff here lately. Check it out.
All right, so I just found this golf bag, and it is really cool because it's a demo bag. Storage isn't that great, but for 20 bucks, I think I gotta get it. I can't leave that behind. So I was digging through the golf club bin and just found this guy. It's a Ping Eye 2 sand wedge. In and of itself, not that great, but as you can see on there, it's a gorge wedge. This one's probably only worth 30 or 40 bucks, but if you ever find a log wedge like that, that's like a $100 bill. So be on the lookout. Here's kind of an interesting find, something I don't pick up every day, but these are cycling jerseys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them, and they're all by this company called Twin 6. When I first looked them up, the sell-through rate didn't look that great, but when I clicked on solds, it looked like all the ones that were selling were size large, like 90% of them. So these were all size large, and I did that, and there's 17 listed and 21 sold. So on size large, full zip cycling jerseys made by Twin 6, these are really good sell-through rate. These are going to be $4.75 a piece, and comps are anywhere between 20 and 30 bucks, but hopefully they'll sell pretty quick.
So I ended up with 5 of those cycling jerseys, and the lady only charged me $1.50 a piece. She rung me up for t-shirts, so that's a pretty good deal. I've already sold 3 of them for $26 plus shipping. So like I said, pretty good deal. But I saw a YouTube video one time where the guy was saying that if you wanted people to pay attention to a message that you have, go somewhere that they've never seen you before. So that's why I'm standing in my garage, because I really want you guys to pay attention to what I have to say. Right now, I am 38 subscribers away from 10,000. And that's absolutely amazing to me. That's somewhere I never thought I'd be, never planned for, never really hoped for, to be honest with you. I only had 2 goals for this channel when I started, and that was to have fun and to meet and interact with like-minded people who are as passionate about reselling as I am. And I've absolutely accomplished those 2 goals. So the message I have for you is just thank you. I really appreciate you. Everyone that comments on videos, I know it takes a while to get back to you sometimes, but I greatly appreciate you. Everyone that watches the videos all the way through, everyone that does click that subscribe button. So that's just my message. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate you. But also, when we do, or if we do get to 10,000, we're doing something pretty exciting. I think it's going to be interesting and even a little bit scary. So if you do want to go on that journey with us, I appreciate it. Click that button down below. But until next time, just thank you. I appreciate you.